Hey there, TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee, guys. We've got another 250-gallon tank rolling out of shop today. Now, this is going to my man Matthew down in Florida, and his stepdad's here to pick it up, take it back home to him. But let's check it out before she leaves. Like I said, this is a 250-gallon tank. Now, guys, on all of our tank smokers, you get full top sliding racks. Bottom grates are stationary; they are removable. Fold down stack, that comes standard on all tank smokers. TMG Pits tail true thermometers. Now, this is a patina pit, so we hand select all these tanks. This one came out real slick. We clear coat it, 3 coats of automotive clear coat. Come around the firebox here. Now, all of our tank smokers have a fully insulated octagon firebox. Open her up here and check it out. Oh, look at that. We got a TMG torch, charcoal chimney in there. Actually, he got 2. He loved it so much. Guys, lifetime warranty on these bad boys right here. Get them on the website. Close that door back. Now, this is on a TMG built trailer. Guys, we build all of our trailers in-house. 6,000-pound axle, really heavy-duty trailer. We got a big wood storage area back here in the back. And up front here, we've got a coal mine, all right? Now, this is our live fire table. Now, he's added the top rack to it. We got some sausage rods up here to hang stuff off of. 2 grill grates, 2 griddle grates, a burn-down box here as well. So, people love to see y'all cook on these things. Live fire draws attention. So that is Matthew's rig heading down to Florida. So hey, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.